Alright mga kamotmot, nandito na naman tayo sa isang champion ng Pirelli Cup at saka ng Ducati Cup. National Rookie of the Year. So, Sir Haji, anong pakiramdam na ikaw yung champion?
Masarap naman and sulit naman yung lahat ng hard work. Tsaka special thanks to sponsors, R2 Builders, Moto Garage, Club 200 especially. Many thanks. So, sarap naman, sarap. Hope to see you all next year. Next year, hopefully, I will be running novice. National novice na. Graduate na sa Pirelli Cup.
So,
Ayun, baka may message ka sa mga followers mo at mga fans mo dyan.
Well, salamat lang. And hope to see you again next year.
alright mga kamotmot, nandito tayo sa number one fan ni Sir RG. Of course, walang iba kundi ang daddy. So, Sir, Sir Red, anong masasabi mo sir sa ito ang una ko iho mo na nag-champion ngayon? Siya pang overall.
Siyempre, masaya. At it's worth it. Everything's worth it. I mean, the bike and the expenses of running the whole season. Thank you, guys.
So, meron na tayong victory party mamaya. Sama-sama tayo.
Sure.
So, abangan nyo mamaya, sir. Meron kaming party para sa mga champion. I mean, wherein ang lahat ng mga Ducati, lahat nag-champion halos. Ang wala lang tayo expert, which is international na lumalaro. O, di ba,
Oh,
sir?
yes.
So,
Oh.
abangan nyo next year. Baka meron na rin tayong next set of expert. Alright? Thank you very much, Sir RG, Sir Red. Alright, mga kamotmot, mga karebap, nandito po tayo ngayon sa, again, isang champion ng Pirelli Cup, Group 1 ng Naked, si Sir John Timbol. Sir, how was it? Anong masasabi mo? Anong feeling ng isang champion?
Well, first time natin nag-champion. Overwhelming. Pero hard work. Pays it all.
So, sir, ano masasabi mo sa mga fans natin, sa sumuporta sa'yo, sa family mo?
Well, thank you sa mga nag-support sa akin, especially kay Access Plus Group, Ducati Philippines, Essenza Oils, sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, sa mga kaibigan ko, family, thank you. Angeles City Ducati Club, family ko, thank you. Thank you.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Thank you very much for watching Rev Up. Now we're gonna have the Ducati Cup. It's the Philippines' oldest racing series. We've been having Ducati Cup way back in 2001, and I think, and up to now it's still going strong. Like today, I think we have 21 participants. It's an easy class to get into. All you have to do is of course own a Ducati, and we offer racing services all the way from rider training to bike setup. So all you have to do is arrive and drive, and you can easily join the Ducati Cup. Visit our stores, let us know, we'll bring you here. Thank you.